What are the red flags that tell me a provider is not the right partner for my brand? Most of the time, people are not asking this. And it can be so many things that might seem like they are red flags when they are not. So I'm aiming to be mindful in responding this question. The red flags that the provider is not the right partner for my brand. I think the first red flag, and I'm going to talk from my point of view, because it's not only you who's hiring providers, but also me on my end. I need people to help me with other stuff, with marketing, for my own brands, with content creation, so all the things. I'm going to be mindful and reply from my side. What are the red flags that I see when a provider is promising me and they did not end up a good fit is, especially when I'm on sales calls and people are really crafted salespeople and they are going to answer all the questions and they are aiming to close you as quick as possible without answering all the questions, and while you're telling them that, hey, I'm not sure I'm a good fit for you, and they are going to, hey, of course, we manage so many things like yours and so on, and they're not going to give you time to think. I think that should be a red flag. Now, if they're going to push you through, hey, this is urgent, we can help you, this is how we are helping, this is what you need, this is how we can make it happen, and so quickly we can get to that results based on XYZ, what we're seeing on the account, that's totally different. Because someone took time to understand you, your situation, your account, what you're aiming for. They're seeing a danger there, just like a doctor who's like, oh my gosh, you're bleeding, let's first stop the bleeding, rather than, these are all the services that we can provide you with, and you should be taking us upon that, And I'm telling you because I'm talking from a founder's point of view, just because it's a different situation. I was sold both of these, right? And I'm seeing that usually what happened is whenever I was talking to a salesperson and they were selling me on something that they had no clue about and someone else executed then, and then I ended up with just, okay, what just happened to me? And also I had experiences when the founder itself or the salesperson, they took interest in my actual situation. They went through, they explained to me. That's why I'm saying it's really important. The major red flag, what you're going to look at, what is the purpose of you being closed as a client? Closed here within quotation marks, because if they are aiming to close you as quick as possible while selling you on these multiple things, why they have everything and so on and so forth, they're focusing on them versus they're focusing on you. Whoever is focusing on you, you can trust them, because they are talking from your and their perspective. Whoever is focusing on why they are the next best thing since sliced bread, and that you have this privilege of working with them, that's yes, because they are selling you on something that it's not relevant to you, not relevant to your business, it's relevant to why they are so good at it. And most of the time, again, I'm saying, whenever someone sold me on or closed me on deals, you need them and so on and so forth, and it was not, hey, allow me to analyze whatever you're going through, because it might be that you actually cannot support or afford my service. Those are more rare, and those are actually good salespeople I want to be closed